Our next topology is star topology. With this figure, you can understand about the star topology. In this pattern, there each node is connected with directly hub or switch or any server. So there is a single cable which is used to connect each node separately, and this is in the formation of star. Clear? So you note down the definition. In a star topology, each node is directly connected to hub or switch. If any node has to send some information to any other node, it sends the signal to the hub and switch. Means if that node want to send our information to this node, so the information will be first sent to hub or switch. Then the hub, if there is hub, so the hub will broadcast your signal. Means it will send our information to each node, but only desired node will be accept the signal. But if there is a switch, so the switch is not broadcast the signal. It will directly switch our signal to that particular node. It will never broadcast the signal. It will directly send to the particular node which indeed it. Okay. So this is the difference a hub and switch, and you already learned about it. So this is the star topology. So we now you note down the definition of star completely. Clear? And also draw this figure. Now we learn its characteristics. What is its characteristics? It is more efficient topology as compared to bus topology. So we compare this topology with bus topology. So it is a efficient topology. Clear? Means easily we create the star topology. You correct it. This is the star pattern, not it is bus. Clear? So there you will write the star topology. This is a formation of star, not a bus topology. So it is more efficient topology. Means easy to install and easily you can create that pattern. Next, it is easy to install, means easily you can configure all the nodes and easily connect it with the network. Next, it is easy to diagnose the fault in a star topology, means we can easily find out the any any fault in this topology. Means if there is any error in a particular node, if there is any fault in any nodes, so we can easily search it. Clear? No, we have to find one by one. We directly find the particular nodes. So this is very easy in the fault diagnosis. Now these are comes under the disadvantage. These are the characteristics you note down into the advantages, and these are comes under the disadvantage. What is its disadvantages? It is failure of hub switch leads to failure of entire network. So this is the disadvantage. Means if hub and switch fail, so the entire network will be fail, because the data and signal are transmitted into the hub or switch, then it will broadcast to other. So if the hub or switch will be fail, so then the entire network will be fail. And next, it require more cable length as compared to bus topology. In a bus topology, all nodes are connected with single cable, but into the star topology there are separate cable, means each node are connected directly with the hub. So that's why we need more cable. So it is more costly compared to bus topology. Clear? So these you will note down into the disadvantage. These are the advantages and this is comes under the disadvantages. Okay students, and you also note down one more disadvantage. It is more expensive compared to bus topology. Okay, now comes into the next topology, that is the tree. What tree? Its formation, its pattern look like a tree. You can understood with this figure. So in a tree we have a root and the main branch. Clear? With this, the main root, other branches are connected. Clear? So this is look like a tree. Okay, so it's have the sub branches, one main branch and other sub branches. Clear? So it's like a tree pattern. So that's why the name of this topology is tree topology. What is the tree topology? You note down its definition. Tree topology is a combination of bus and star topology. What is? It is a combination of bus topology. Why? Because there is a single cable, so it is represent a bus topology. And next, there is sub branch follow the pattern of what? Star topology. Clear? So there is a star topology pattern. So that's why it is a combination of bus and star topology. It is used to combine multiple star topology network. All the stars are connected together like a bus. So all stars, you can see there, all the stars are connected like a bus. So this bus star hybrid approach support the future expandability of the network. So it is called the tree topology. You note down this definition of tree topology. Okay, and also draw its figure. Characteristics of tree topology: it offers easy way of network expansion. Even if one network means star fail, the other network remain connected and working. Because if, for example, if this star has been failed, so our other network will be going on. There is no any errors and no any fault into the network. It will communicate with each other. Clear? But if a backbone has been failed, so then the entire network will be failed. Clear? So it is same thing. So you also note down its characteristics. Clear? Okay. So these all are the topology. So we have main three types of topology: bus, star and tree topology. You note down its definition, its also draw its figure and also write the advantages and disadvantages. Now the next thing we learn about the network protocol. So write the side heading network protocol.